Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,400. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. The truck is powered by a 5.7L engine and complemented by a smooth-shifting automatic gearbox and a fully functional air conditioning system that blows cold. The vehicle has received numerous mechanical and cosmetic upgrades, including an 8-foot bed with a Line X coating and a rough country lift kit for improved stance and capability. Recent maintenance and replacements include the radiator, upper and lower hoses, alternator, water pump, CV axles, fuel pump, valve cover gaskets, rotors, brake pads, and steering components such as the steering box, rag joint, and RC steering stabilizer. It rides on 17-inch wheels wrapped in Nitto tires and features a full exhaust system. Inside, the truck is enhanced with an Alpine head unit, kicker speakers, SCAR amplifier and subwoofer, LED lighting, tinted windows, and a durable rubber floor. Additional exterior upgrades include tow mirrors, updated taillights, and a toolbox for added utility.
Number 2.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,500, with 105,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, and a capable 5.2L V8 paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it suitable for both daily use and tougher conditions. The truck features a silver exterior. It has a valid inspection through December 2026, along with a recent oil change and a freshly serviced differential, reflecting consistent upkeep. Within the past year, the vehicle has received extensive maintenance and numerous new components, including all shocks, muffler and tailpipe, wipers, brake lines, rotors, brakes, calipers, and all brake hoses, as well as rear shoes and hardware. Additional updates include a new water pump and thermostat, timing cover and seal, valve cover gaskets, intake plenum gaskets, exhaust manifold gaskets and bolts, spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor, and transmission fluid with a new filter.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,500, described as a solid and dependable heavy-duty truck, well suited for both work and daily use. This 4x4 dually model has covered 140,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. It features a clean silver exterior complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a SCPI fuel-injected 350 engine, known for its durability and consistent performance. The truck runs and drives well, showing that it has been properly maintained over the years, and it stands out as a proven, trustworthy vehicle ready to continue delivering reliable service.
Number 4.
1995 Ford F-150, price $6,000, well-maintained and tastefully upgraded classic pickup that blends durability with a touch of modern convenience. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a strong 6.0L gasoline engine, which has been newly built to ensure reliable performance and long-term dependability. The truck carries a clean title, adding to its overall appeal and peace of mind for potential buyers. Visually, it stands out with its green exterior, complemented by a brown interior that remains in its original condition, preserving the truck's classic character. At the same time, it has been enhanced with practical upgrades such as Apple CarPlay, bringing modern connectivity into a vintage platform, along with upgraded wheels that improve both appearance and driving experience.
Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet S10, price $4,900, with just 91,000 original miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 2.2L 4-cylinder gasoline engine, known for its efficiency and reliability. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a black interior. This particular example has clearly been well cared for throughout its life, with a body, frame, and undercarriage that remain exceptionally clean, something rarely seen in trucks of this age. It runs smoothly and performs as expected, with no known mechanical issues. The tires are in good condition, adding to its overall readiness for daily use. With its clean title and strong maintenance history, this S10 represents a solid, reliable, and practical choice for anyone looking for a durable and classic pickup.
Number 6.
1998 Ford F-150, price $3,500, presented as a well-maintained and reliable 4x4 pickup. It has covered 196,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, powered by a 4.6-liter Triton V8 engine that runs smoothly and delivers a strong driving performance. The truck features a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. While operating on gasoline, this vehicle is described as driving great with no major issues, offering practical additions such as sturdy running boards, a durable bedliner, and a comfortable, well-kept interior. It is also fitted with a Pioneer CD player for entertainment, along with tires in good condition that are ready for the road. Additionally, the included tow package enhances its utility, making it suitable for hauling and everyday use alike.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has 256,000 miles on the body, paired with an automatic transmission, a black exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck received a 5.3L engine swap last year, featuring a mild build with a Stage 3 BTR cam, upgraded springs and rods, ARP head studs, headers, and a 3-inch exhaust with dual Spintech 6000 mufflers. Key components such as the water pump, starter, battery, and alternator have been recently replaced. It runs well but needs minor work, including an SC compressor and lines, and will require new tires soon.
A broken leaf spring is noted, though replacements are included.
The body shows rust on the rockers and cab corners, with covers provided.
The flat black paint looks decent but could use refinishing.
It also comes with an upgraded audio system and an electric radiator fan with a manual switch.
Number 8.
1999 Dodge Dakota, price $4,995, well-maintained and reliable pickup, showing 193,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, offering a straightforward and engaging driving experience. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, the truck maintains a clean and classic appearance. This Georgia-based truck is described as exceptionally clean and well cared for, standing out for its spotless condition. It has recently received important maintenance, including a new timing chain and water pump, ensuring better reliability for its next owner. Additionally, it does not require e-check, making it more convenient in regions where emissions testing is mandatory. Overall, this Dakota represents a solid option for those seeking a dependable and clean older pickup.
Number 9.
1990 Ford F-150, price $3,900. It has covered 113,000 original miles and is equipped with a 4.9L inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a gray exterior with a red interior, configured as a 3-seater regular cab with a long bed and 2WD drivetrain. It also includes power windows and power locks, adding a level of convenience to its classic build. The vehicle holds a valid Pennsylvania inspection until May 2026 and comes with a PA title. While it remains mechanically solid, there are some minor rust repairs visible on the exterior body, and the air conditioning system is currently not functioning. Overall, it stands as a well-maintained classic pickup suitable for daily use or restoration.
Number 10.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,600, presented in good overall condition, offering dependable performance and a solid, reliable driving experience. With 300,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is powered by a V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering power through a rear-wheel drive system. It features a unique turquoise exterior that stands out, complemented by a clean gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. This vehicle runs and drives well, making it a practical choice for daily use or light-duty work. It has recently undergone a fresh tune-up to help maintain its performance and efficiency. In addition, the rear brakes have been newly replaced and are still under warranty at Midas, adding extra value and peace of mind.